Okay, so we're doing an Airsoft review on this Dboys M4A1. So it came with a foregrip. It has a mag that holds 40 rounds. Came with the laser. It came with a blue flashlight. The rail ends that come with it, kind of cheap, already broke. This is the battery. It's a pretty long-lasting battery. Lasts 4 hours, I think it is. It's right here. There's like 7 of those. And it's fully automatic, semi, and of course safety. It has the stock, and I guess that's pretty much all the features. It came with the sling, but I haven't hooked it up yet. And now we're going to shoot it and show how accurate it is. So we have a target over there, and I'm going to put on automatic. Yeah, that was 40 bullets just like that. Most of them hit around the bullseye or hit the bullseye. And yeah, it's a pretty good gun. I guess again, the railings are pretty cheap. But for the most part, it's a good gun. And I haven't had any problems with it yet. And yeah.